Today we are going to make an easy canvas painting. So we are going to make a night scene. So we will directly paint the painting. So we need three colors, blue, black and white. First black paint. So first we will paint like this. This much portion we have to paint black, and then we have to blend it. So now we will blend it. Like this we need to blend. So as you all can see, we have completed with the blending and coloring of this black color. So now we will take this blue color and we will paint it here so that it will give a look of sky. So now we have to paint this blue color as same of black. Again with blue, draw a line. We will use little bit water so that it will not dry. So as you all can see in this blue color, it's very dark, so we will add little bit white color in it. So as you all can see, I am completed with the painting. Now I will blend this paint. So as you all can see, we are completed with the blending of this color. Now we will take some water and we will do it like this. Now we are completed with the watering part. Now we will take some white color. So this much white color is enough. Now we will take blue color and now we will paint it blue. This one blue color should be lighter than this one. So now we are completed with this color also. Now again we have to do the blue color, same we did. We will draw one line so that this color won't mix with the upper one. Now as you all can see, it is same as the upper portion. Now we'll blend whole page. So as you all can see, we are completed with the painting and blending part of this painting. Now we'll make one semicircle and making it with the help of bangle, and if you have compass, that's too good. Now we will take another brush. The brush number should be 0 and we will take white paint. Now we will copy the white paint on the circle we made. For coloring, if you want, so you can take this one brush also. Per way so that it will look amazing. So we are completed with this part of moon. Now we will draw a hill. Now we'll paint this thing with black color. Now we will fill black color in it. So now we are completed with the painting. Now we will blend this color. Now we are completed with the hill painting. Again with the use of black color, we will make some grass like this. So we are completed with the grass portion. Now we will draw palm trees. Then we will draw the upper part. Now we will do like this. So I am completed with the next tree. Now we will draw a small platform. Now here this side also need to draw a platform like this, but it should be smaller. Now draw grass. Now we are completed with the painting. Now we need to do splitting, and we need white color for it, and we'll dip the toothbrush in it. And now we'll do it like this. Now the final step is this. We need to draw some lines with this white color. It should not be very dark, it should be light and thin. Now the painting is ready.